out by saying if I'm going to simplify this formula, which means expanding all the expression and combining similar terms, I notice that there's an x plus 2 to the fourth power in each of these terms. So I would factor out that x plus 2 to the fourth, leaving inside the parentheses one factor of x plus 2 for the first term, and then a minus 4 for the second term. So this is really what we're evaluating. So let's focus on expanding this using the binomial theorem. And here's the binomial theorem. I have x plus y, the quantity to the nth power. Well, I follow this pattern where this means the combination of n things taken k at a time. So k is going from 0 up to 1, up to n, which means there's going to be one more term than the size of this exponent right here. So down here, I've applied the formula to x plus y to the fourth power. You can see that wherever there's a k in this formula, I've substituted a 0. And this is a minus 1 here. And that will take us to the fifth term. So if we do that same thing for x plus 2 to the fourth, we're going to take the coefficient of the first term will be 4 things taken 0 at a time, which is a 1, x to the fourth, and 2 to the 0 is 1. So the first term is going to be x to the fourth. And then we'll have plus 4 things taken 1 at a time is 4. Reduce the exponent by 1 on the x. Increase the exponent by 1 on the second term. So we'll have 2 to the first. So these exponents, 3 to 1, always add up to 4. Then 4 things taken 2 at a time is 6. Reduce the exponent on the x by 1. Increase the exponent on the 2 by 1. There they are, adding up to 4. Plus 4 things taken 3 at a time is the same as 4 things taken 1 at a time. Reduce the exponent on the x by 1. Increase it by 1 on the 2. And finally, the last term, 4 things taken 4 at a time is 1. X to the 0, 2 to the fourth. So in the end, this simplifies to x to the fourth plus 8x cubed. 2 squared is 4 times 6 is 24. X squared plus 32x plus 16. Now we want to multiply that by x minus 2 to get the final simplified result. Take x times every term up here. Well, you know what? I'm not going to write it out. I'll show you what it came out to be on the next board. Here is, by the way, this picture shows that x plus 2, the fourth power, is equivalent to this expression right here because the graphs overlap each other. If I go to the third board, there is q of x, which is the original function. And here's what I get when I multiply this by that quantity x minus 2. And you can see the graphs do overlap. So these two are equivalent. Okay, back to the first board. Again, x times every term up here will go on this line. Then minus 2 times every term up here will go on this line. I'll get minus 2x to the fourth here. On the top, I got 8x to the fourth. And when I combine the similar terms, I'll get x to the fifth plus 6x to the fourth. And I'll let you take it away from there. Again, there's the result. Okay, hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.